Well, hello everybody, welcome back to another video at Mobvoi Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We have got a pretty cool little video for you. We had some first time happening here on the homestead. Check that out in the video. We got a cool little product to show you first thing. Hope you guys stick around for that. Check it out. You guys just may be interested in this. And then Hunter and I is going to head on down to the lake and do some cast netting. And we found a new way to do something, so hope you guys stick around and can check out that way as well. We learned it from Daniel in Houston watching their latest cast fishing video. So if you guys have not seen their video, go check it out. I'll put an iCard somewhere up there. But it's pretty cool too down there at the Little Creek property. So that's what we got on today's video. Let's get started. You want to get your heart rate, see I'm at 102 right now. You want to get your heart rate up to a good healthy level where it burns calories, and that was just a short little 4 down and backs there, and got up to a 109 peak. As you saw in the opening, this ticwatch, right? This is a ticwatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS. I mean, here just a few of the things here. It has over 1,000 watch faces you can choose from. It's waterproof, swim suitable, high density heart rate, stress and sleep tracking, 100 plus professional workout modes in this thing, dual display with customized colorful backlights, up to 72 hours of battery in smart mode and 45 days in essential mode. It's got a built-in GPS, it's military standard 810G, it's got IHB detection and fatigue assessment, and it's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform and Mobvoi dual processor system. So this thing is, I've had this thing for about a week now, and I've been trying it out. I've been just doing different things. We did a lot of swimming this weekend. It held up perfect, still working perfect. If you want one of these, so some of you guys might be thinking it's awful expensive for a watch, but if you take into account all the different things that this thing does, like I told you, if you was to buy an individual heart rate monitor, an individual oxygen monitor, an individual calorie burner, an individual count your steps and miles and stuff like that you buy, you would have things in your pockets all over the place. Individual GPS tracker, okay? You would have all kinds of stuff weighing you down. Or you can buy the ticwatch Pro 3 Ultra and have all that built in on your wrist. Like I said, if you want one of these, go in the description, click the link, follow it, and check it out. They have multiple different options, but this one is really good. That's a little bit about the ticwatch Pro 3 with GPS. Let's get on with the video. Alrighty everybody, well, we're back down here at the lake, and we're gonna make another cast net video. So they've trimmed all this right here. I don't know if you can see it. It used to be like a big old huge snake bush. You couldn't get to it, but now you can. So I'm going to try to climb out on these riprap, this little rocks here, and see if I can throw the, oh, see those big old wakes right there? There's some fish all around here. We're going to see, kind of like what Daniel in Houston did, we're going to see how many different species of fish we can catch in a cast net. So drop it down in the comments. Let us know how many you think we're going to get. Hunter, what do you think we're going to get?
6.
6. Okay, so last time we had just like a, I don't know all the different species of perch, so we're going to say like perch, shad, got a bass, got a suckerfish, got a minnow. Last time we had 5. We'll kind of, if the perch look a little different, you know, like a red ear or a bluegill, we'll figure it out. But last time we had 5, Hunter's going for 6. Let's see what we can do. Also been looking at different ways to throw this net so that he can throw it. So we're going to give him a shot throwing this net here in a minute and see what happens. I actually, look at all that shad. See that? There's a big group of sand bass out there just annihilating the shad. The water's on fire right now. Wow. So I was watching Houston throw that throw net, and I'm thinking he's holding that a lot easier. It looks a lot easier than
what you do.
Than what I do. So I watched a few videos, and I think I found out how he's doing it. We'll see. Oh man, there are a bunch right here too. I gotta hurry up. It works. I like that way. We have our first fish.
It fell in.
Oh, did it really?
Yeah.
Cripes! Take your right hand and twist it forward. Throw it hard. Oh, that ain't good. Well, Hunter caught a bunch of logs here.
I think that's a type of species.
A species of what?
Don't know. But I caught something.
A stick bass? This should be good. Oh, there's something good in there, something big. Oh, it's a catfish.
Seriously?
Yeah. Oh gosh. If I can get out.
No, that's not catfish.
Oh, it's not, is it? Whoa.
2 of them. What is that?
That is another giant shad. That may be bigger than the last one.
And what's that other one?
That's a little shad.
Daddy? Baby. I'm gonna get that big one. You're squawking. Hey! Bro, you're supposed to be nice.
Yeah, you gotta wash your hands off now. Alright guys, last cast. Let's see what happens. It's not been a good day for us. It's not been a good day. What do you think, Hunt?
Not him.
Hey, lift it up. Oh, yeah.
What is that?
It's a little bass.
A little bitty bass.
Oh, go pick it up, hurry. It's a little largemouth.
I see.
Well, that's the way to end our last cast, huh? So what do we have, 4? So Hunter guessed 6. What do you guys guess? All right, slow them back. All right, guys, we'll catch up with you guys later on at the house. Well, alrighty, guys, it is the next day. The cast netting didn't quite go as planned, but me, Hunter, and Hallie, we've already ran 2 miles this morning. We ran from our house down to where we do the cast nets, which we found out is exactly 1 mile from our driveway and back. I learned some things. First and foremost, I'm out of shape. Secondly, Hallie is so much more mentally tough than Hunter. He wanted to quit, wanted to bail several times. Hallie said, "This is fun, we should do this more often." Hunter says, "I am never doing this again in my life." So, Hallie's letting the chickens out, checking for eggs. Hey! Oh yeah? Are the hens out? Oh, there they are all off.
Well, one's trying to go in there right now.
Oh, are they?
Tearing it off.
Oh, there's a chicken in there.
Yeah, there's chickens.
Hey, what's that?
The turkey egg.
What? Look at that, guys. I don't know what she's sitting on, But there's a turkey egg in there. What? It is July 29th. We have never, ever got a turkey egg this late in the year. Go grab them.
I don't think that's just sitting on anything.
She may not. She may be fixing to lay an egg. So Hallie's gathering that turkey egg. That is so weird. We have never had turkey eggs laid past like June. So this is a first on the homestead. Pretty cool. Hopefully we get a couple more. That'd be neat. We got a chicken in there fixing to lay. We got some chickens running around here. Got Tom Brady and the girls over there. Most of the chickens are already out though. Drag it out. Oh, there's a couple eggs.
No, you are not gonna walk back in there, Missy.
Grab that. Oh.
That other one's coming out.
Ooh. There you go.
I don't want that to happen to me.
There you go. Grab them eggs.
They pecked a hole in one of them.
Oh, well, grab them both and we'll throw that one out. My heart rate got up to 124 while running. That was after we walked for about, I don't know, 30 seconds after we ran a mile down there. And on the way back it was at 124. So I guarantee you it was up in the 130s, maybe 140. So this is pretty cool. We have not got, now we did have a friend wanting to try one of these, and we'll probably take it to him and say, crack it open, hard fry it, whatever, see how it tastes.
I actually ate them when they first started laying. Like one of the first ones we got.
How was it?
I don't remember. I ate it with a banny egg and a normal chicken egg.
Gotcha. Oh, the grasshoppers have moved in. There's grasshoppers everywhere over
We
here.
saw a blister beetle the other day.
What?
We did, and I killed it. Ooh, there's an ochre. She hasn't picked.
You saw, where'd you see a blister beetle at?
The shop.
That's not good.
By the sand pit. By the sand place.
That's not good at all. Oh, she didn't play. There's no way she cut okra this morning. Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
And this one.
Yeah, there's no way.
No, she didn't.
Man, look at the size of these okra plants. They're 6.5 foot tall probably right now.
Yeah, look at the bottom of them.
I know, they're
like
huge.
That one.
It's like a tree. Yeah, that's a good okra right
And
there.
then there's one behind it.
Oh, yeah. Alright guys, well that's all we got on today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel at More at Homestead, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. And also, don't forget, link in the description below. Go check out this ticwatch and let me know what you think in the comments. I've had it on for 2 weeks now, and it is I really like it. So I think it's a really good tool to have. Like just running today, I was able to check my heart rate, monitor how far I went, my oxygen level, all that, just right there on my wrist. So pretty neat, pretty cool to have. But once again, if you're interested, go check it in the comments, go to the website. Let me have something else you want there if you don't want this. So that's all we got on today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless.